Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, we're back here in the kitchen, and this time I will show you how to make this easy, yummy sinigang dish made out of tamarind powder, and this is a Philippine dish. This will be fun, guys, so come and join me. So guys, in addition to this sinigang broth package that you can buy from Asian shop, I have cod fillet, green beans, asparagus, okra, 1 onion, tomato, salt and pepper, green onions as well will go lastly, and the water is boiling. That's about 2 liters as a base. You put the package, the content of the package in the boiling water, the tomatoes and the onions. Cover it and cook for a few minutes. Now you can add the okra. I cut it in half, and the green beans as well. Cover and simmer for a few minutes. Then add your fish. This is a frozen product. It's cod fillet. You can use any fish you like. I add asparagus, also cut in half. That is optional. You can add also eggplant if you want, cut in bite pieces. Season it with pepper and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix carefully so you don't break the pieces of your fish. Cover and simmer for a few minutes and add your pepperoni. Yummy! If you're using beef or chicken, a harder meat, then you have to cook it first before adding all these ingredients. And we're ready, guys. How easy was that? I add already the green onions chopped. You can add parsley, chopped parsley, or coriander. So yummy, smelling so good. Worth to try, guys. You can enjoy this as it is or with steamed rice. I have mixed quinoa here, which is also easy to prepare. And as additional seasoning on the side, chili fish sauce. That's optional, of course. Thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. But whenever you have time, come and visit me here and check my previous videos. Stay safe, healthy, happy, and connected. Bye for now.